Do you know there are websites that give you free crypto predictions? And with these predictions, you have a higher chance of making successful crypto trades. You don't need to be an expert when it comes to technical analysis. With these predictions, you're most likely going to make successful trades. So if you want to know what these websites are, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. But please do note, these predictions are not financial advice, and I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. These are just my personal thoughts and for educational purpose. Make sure you make personal research before you part with your money. Now let's dive right into this video. The first website is Nomixcom. Once you search that on Google, that's going to bring you to this page. Okay, so what you're going to do is to come here to get predictions on your favorite crypto projects. Okay, so to do that, what you have to do is to kind of browse through the page like this and spot the crypto you want to trade and click on it. For example, let's say we want to get some prediction on Terra Luna. We would have to click on Terra. So that's going to bring you to a new page. Now if you want to get predictions on this project, what you would have to do is to come down. You can see where it says prediction right here, so you're going to click on that. So once you click on that, that's going to bring you the prediction for this project. So you can see right here where it shows you the 1 day prediction, the 1 week prediction, the 1 month, 1 year, and so on. So what you would have to do is to look at the chart very carefully and study what the chart is saying. Okay, so you can see the price of Terra Luna right now. The prediction is that in the next 1 week, the price is going to hit this target. Okay, so of course this is not guaranteed. You have to understand that crypto predictions can never be 100% accurate. Okay, but with prediction sites like this, you stand a higher chance of making profits. Second website is lunacrush.com. If you go to your mobile app, which you can download on Play Store for free, okay, you can see at the bottom here where it says dashboard, markets, discover, feeds, influencers, insights. So where you would want to go to is where it says discover. Okay, so you click on that. That's gonna bring you to this place right here. Okay, so you can see where it says coin of the day. So this is their prediction for the day. Okay, so you could use this website or their mobile app to get predictions on coins that you might want to be interested in trading. Another crypto prediction site is Cryptopredictions.com. As you can see right there, when you come here, you can see a bunch of crypto projects you can research and find out their predictions. So if you're interested in knowing the price prediction for Dogecoin, for instance, like before, you would click on Dogecoin. That will bring you to this page where you'll be able to see the predictions. You can see the Dogecoin price prediction for June 2022. You can see Dogecoin price prediction for the week. You can see Dogecoin price prediction for today. You can see Dogecoin price prediction for tomorrow. So basically, you can see weekly and daily price predictions on this website. You can also see monthly and yearly price prediction. For example, you can see down here where it says Dogecoin price prediction for 2022. You can see Dogecoin price prediction for 2023. It actually gives you a clear breakdown of the predictions. Okay, so it gives you from January 2023 to February 2023. It gives you the price actions right here. So this is a very good website you might want to be checking out if you're interested in crypto predictions before trading.